welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing of one of my favorite subscription boxes, you guys. We are taking a look at the new Margot Elena subscription box. This is the fall 2024 box. Now, as always, if you guys are interested in this subscription, I will be posting a link down below for you. I also have an exclusive discount code as well, so you can save a little bit of money off of your first order. Now, this box is on my top 10 list of favorite boxes out there. It's always presented beautifully. I love the curations. I feel like packaging is always great on this. Customer service has always been wonderful as well if I've ever had any questions or needed help with anything. And shipping on this box is always on schedule as well. So for all of those reasons put together, it makes it onto my top 10 list. So I really enjoy this subscription box. So this is their newest box. Like I said, this is the fall 2024 box that we have here today. And we're going to open it up and we're going to check out all of these items. But if you are interested in this box, it sells out very quickly. This subscription is one of the boxes that sells out every single quarter. So I always bring this up, but if you are interested in it, don't wait too long on this box. It will usually sell out within a couple of weeks after they first launch. So this is what it looks like when you first open it up inside. Definitely getting those fall vibes. Ooh, look at this, you guys. We've got some fun items in here. So this first item in here, it looks like a tortilla warmer almost. It says it's a quilted pot holder. So this exclusive double-sided pot holder, it's been designed with a loop for easy hanging and comfort for your cooking adventures. So this is all a part of the Margot Elena Happy Home collection. So you'll get this exclusive print that they made in the box this season. And then this will be your pot holder, so you can actually then put your entire hand in here, and that way you can grab your pan or whatever it is like this. So it's a very thick fabric, as it should be since it is a pot holder. And I do like that everything is stitched really well on here. So that's one thing that I love, is everything from Margot Elena is really good quality. This feels like a really nice pot holder. And then the nice thing is that you can always set your pot or pan or whatever it is on top of this one as well. So I think this is awesome, but I totally think you could double this as a tortilla warmer too. Now, all of your products in your box will be wrapped up like this. And this is just another reason why I say it's an awesome subscription. So our next item that we have in here is a fragrance. This is a part of the Tokyo Milk Dark Collection, number 88, which is Hypnotic. It will be cashmere, spiced vanilla, and crimson currant are the fragrance notes. So that sounds good. Now, having had this subscription for a few years now, usually around fall time, we'll get one of these dark versions of their fragrances. In the other boxes, you will still get a fragrance, but they will keep those ones light and floral and fresh. But the fall box typically features one of their dark bottles. So it's just kind of fun getting something different. So let me smell this. Ooh, it does smell like cashmere. It smells really soft. I don't know how to explain that a scent smells soft, but it does. So I do get the cashmere in there. I get the vanilla, but then there is a touch of spiciness too. It's not a lot. I wouldn't even say it's like a cinnamon spice. It's just a little bit of like, I don't know, just a little hint of spice to this. It's like a spicy vanilla is what you're getting out of this. It's really good. The nice thing about this fragrance is I feel like you could wear it all the time. So this fragrance alone retails for $52 on the website. The next item that we have in here, I think, is a candle. So this one is it's a Tokyo Milk candle, number 76. So this is what it will look like here. This is a 4-ounce tin that we have, and the fragrance notes are lemon, amber, and musk. It's a single wick. Ooh. Weird. I get all floral. That's so weird. Why do I smell like I'm smelling a flower? It smells like lilies to me. I'm not getting any lemon. Okay, that is really strange. So lemon, amber, musk, and winter. I'm not quite sure why, you guys, but I am not getting these notes. And I love lemon. I love citrus. I love amber notes. I'm not getting that at all. To me, this smells like I'm smelling baby powder and Easter lilies. That's the scent. I mean, like, they're so opposite from what it says on the candle here. Maybe I'm not smelling correctly, but I don't smell that. Now, it doesn't smell bad, but it just doesn't smell like what I thought it was gonna be. You know what? If you guys get this subscription box and you have the same candle as me, tell me if it's just me. Maybe I'm crazy and I'm just not getting the notes at all. I don't know. It just doesn't smell like what I thought. But like I said, it's not a bad smelling scent. I like Easter lilies and I like baby powder fresh scents. So it is still good. It's just so confusing. So moving on, the next item that I have in here is from Library of Flowers. This is a perfumed cream. So Library of Flowers is part of the Margot Elena umbrella company. So you will notice different brands in this subscription box. This is one of the brands that Margot Elena owns. And the perfumed cream will actually have a very strong scent, but it's going to be like a lotion cream. So you can put this on and you'll smell that then versus a spritz or a spray that you might use. So the scent on this one, usually it's a floral scent because it is Library of Flowers. It's number 8. And it says that this is willow and water, and it's a small batch. And they always have such fun packaging. Isn't it adorable? I love how they always look on here. So this is a metal tin jar that we have here, and it does keep the scent inside really well, so I like that. And then like I said, you'll just take your cream out, you can put that on, and then you'll have that fresh perfumed scent. Another brand that Margot Elena owns is Archive, and that is our next product. So this is from Archive, and it is their 8-ounce shower gel. This is their calming shower gel, which features rosehip and lavender in it. So it is a full-size product. And usually when you have lavender, it is a calming, natural calming scent as well. So I'm going to go ahead and smell this one. The gel itself is just a clear moisturizing gel, but you definitely smell the rosehip in here, you guys. Like, I feel like the rosehip is more predominant than the lavender is, but I do still smell both of those in this shower gel. And we have another brand in this box, which is Lalia. So again, Margot Elena owns all of these brands, and so this is another one included in the box. Beautiful packaging on this. So this particular one is going to be Imagine, which is a shea butter hand cream, which is willow and lotus scented. It's number 71. What's great is you can usually get those scents in other products. So if you know, I really like number 71, you can actually search their website and they will show you all of the products that are made with those same scents. So this one is going to be that hand cream. And if you open it up, look at this box, you guys. Like, even the inside of the box has been decorated in here. Like, how gorgeous is that? And then this is what your tube of hand lotion will look like. I mean, that is just beautiful. And isn't that gift worthy? Like, you could put together such a great basket of goodies for somebody, or just send them this whole box. That would work too. This is definitely floral again, you guys. And again, this smells like what I would think. It does smell like a lotus flower. It's a soft scent though, so it feels very sensual almost. Like it's a very soft floral note. Now this is also something that's a little bit new for this box. So this says that it's a set of 4 nested ceramic measuring cups. So again, it's all a part of the Margot Elena Happy Home collection. And it says the pattern is autumn floral. So this is our box. We'll of course open this up and we're gonna look at these measuring cups. I have never had measuring cups in this box before. Now usually you're gonna get a lot of like bath products or like perfumes, things like that. Great fragrances. I've had a couple of home products in previous boxes, but it's not a guarantee every month. So if you're looking at buying the subscription, sometimes you get home products, sometimes you don't. But you will definitely be able to count on like the hand creams and the perfumes every month. So this is what it looks like when I first open it up. It's so cute. It says 1/4 of a cup. Oh, these are cute. So they're all ceramic cups. Oh my goodness, you guys. And I'm guessing we can put them all together if we want to, but look at this pattern. So adorable. And then they go through every size in here. So all of these are the exact same print. I just verified on all of them. They're all gonna have the same look. You have the 1 cup scoop, you have a 1/2 cup. Then we have the 1/3, and then we also have the 1/4 cup in here. They feel so much nicer than like, you know, your cheap plastic cups. I don't know. This is one that is just so pretty. It 100% just made my box worth it. Like, this is really good, but I do think, you guys, this might be a major selling point for this box, that it will sell quickly because it does have a couple of these home items in here. So again, if you're looking at this box, I wouldn't wait too long. Just based off of how fast it's sold out in the past, I think this box could go even faster because that is so cute. Last item for today's unboxing will be a set of 3 greeting cards. This is something unique that they do in every single one of their boxes. You will always receive a set of greeting cards. Now, they may be different prints or different sizes, but you usually will have cards in here. So the first card says, "May your birthday be a hoot," and there's an owl on the front. These are all just blank cards, and they do come with the matching envelopes as well. The next card says, "Another year older and no crow's feet." I love that. I don't know, you guys. I love it because with beauty, and I'm always talking about beauty, it's just very clever. And then last but not least, it says, "Wishing you good fortune" on this card here. So you will receive a set of 3 cards. Like I said, these will typically change up from box to box, but you will still have cards in your box. So that is everything for the Margot Elena subscription box for fall. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of this box. Now, I gotta tell you, there's a couple of things that I really like. One, I love that you get a perfume every single quarter, and I like that with the fall box, we get the darker scent. That scent is the best smelling one in this box, and I'm not saying the other ones are bad, it's just my personal favorite. I like smelling that warm spiced vanilla and that soft cashmere scent in there. It is really good, you guys. So I love that. I also love these measuring cups. They're so cute. I like how unique they are. I have never owned a pair of ceramic ones, so I love these. Like, seriously, I'm getting rid of the plastic ones. I'm moving to these because they're so good. I even think the pot holder is nice. I like getting the kitchen items, honestly. I wish they would include more of those items in this box because I think they're just really nice. Like, they're made well and they feel really nice too. So love that. But additionally, you still get several items in this box, and the fact that you're getting such a great deal and not spending $200 on it, I mean, all the way around, I feel like it's just a good, solid box. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!